In this video, we'll continue building a blockchain AI agent from scratch using a Web2 API, Hedera, and LangGraph.js. Hi all, I'm Brendan and welcome to Hands-on DevRel. We're starting from where we left off previously, where we had emulated an LLM's replies to human prompts and used those to invoke the joke tool and the Hedera tools. Now we'll finally do the full thing and build an AI agent for the first time. We'll actually get to do the fun part now. First, we'll enter an LLM into the picture and get it to decide how to interact with the tools. And secondly, we will enter a human into the picture and get the human to input prompts to pass to the LLM. To begin, we'll use createReactAgent, and this is not to be confused with the React in JavaScript. React here is actually reason act in a loop. We'll create the LLM, or we'll instantiate the LLM using the factory method. We'll import the joke and Hedera tools. We'll use memory saver so that we can track the chat history. And note that this does not persist on disk, so when the program exits, you start from scratch again. Now let's write a prompt. Let's write that text just as we would inside of the chat interface of Claude or ChatGPT, etc. Next, use agent.invoke with that prompt. Let's run it and see the response. Moving on, instead of typing more prompts into this script file, let's turn it into an actual chat program. To save time, we won't be creating a web UI or anything like that. Instead, we'll simply use the terminal for inputting prompts from you, the human, and outputting replies from the AI agent. We'll use readline, which is baked into Node.js for this, and of course standard in and standard out for the terminal. Let's create a couple of functions for read user prompts and obtain agent reply. We'll put these inside of an infinite while loop, so it'll keep cycling forever or until you terminate the program. Note that tool calls are not reflected in this loop at all, and that is because the agent is now determining what tools to invoke. We're no longer manually determining tool invocation as we did in the previous video. Rather, the LLM is parsing prompts and prior conversation history to make those decisions. Okay, let's run this. Note that prior to this first run, I have commented out the actual implementations within Hedera tools and replaced them with dummy values. What I'm looking out for here is whether the agent correctly determines which tools it should invoke, and I'm also looking out for whether the agent passes the correct information as inputs into the tool invocations. Looks like it has done an excellent job, but now we've got dummy values, so let's switch back to the proper implementations within Hedera tools and then run it again. And we're going to do the following prompts. The first prompt is to request the jokes, the second prompt is to create a new HCS topic, and the third prompt is to submit the jokes as messages to the HCS topic. The third prompt is the one that we really want to inspect thoroughly, because that one needs to parse values not only from its current prompt, but also from prior conversation history, and it has to use that information correctly in tool invocations. So this particular prompt has the trickiest job. This time, the Hedera tool would have performed the transactions, and so we can use Hashscan again to see those artifacts. And in Hashscan, we see that we do indeed have that HCS topic, and it has two messages in it, with one joke in each message. Alright, let's wrap up here. We've built clients, we've built tools, we've manually invoked tools by pretending to be an LLM, and we've just created an AI agent that you can chat with that works with these tools based on your prompts. And I hope that you've had fun learning how to create a Hedera AI agent using LangGraph.js. So see you in the next videos where we'll explore some more advanced topics with LangGraph. I haven't yet decided what the next one should be, so drop a comment below or hit me up elsewhere on the internet to let me know what you'd like me to cover next for AI agents.